Is it really possible to get into DevOps as a beginner? Is it a thing you need some experience in web development and then switch to DevOps later? If possible, which side of DevOps is considered? So right off the bat, I'm going to say don't learn web development. Web development is, unless you like it as a hobby, but web development is basically outsourced to AI now. That like that, if you have tools like Lovable, and like my brother, he is helping me with the business, and he created a website called KubeCraft.dev. And wait, we can even like, let me see, can I show that even here? KubeCraft.dev. This website is created by my brother, who never wrote a line of code in his whole life. And yeah, he's savvy with computers. He knows he knows how to work with computers, but he never coded. He never created a website in his entire life. But look at this. Like the logos, like our members at KubeCraft, they work at Google, Microsoft, IBM, and Nvidia. Look how beautiful this is. And it has all of the animations, everything. And my brother built this himself using Lovable. And it's just amazing. It's a beautiful website, responsive, works everywhere. And he did this with Lovable, lovable.dev. And yeah, web development is basically, I'm not going to say dead, but it's not a something that you should learn first. It's much better to learn Python, I would say, and learn backend automation, that kind of thing, and switch to DevOps later. Um, it is definitely possible to switch to DevOps, to get a DevOps job as a beginner. I'm the living proof of it. I was a nurse and I didn't have any formal IT experience, but I knew Linux from my hobby projects, and I was willing to work hard, and I was able to convince people that I was very passionate about my career change by building a strong online presence. And it is definitely something you can do. And you can either come from the software engineering side, or you can come from the infrastructure side, Linux system administration. But I would definitely, I think it's easier to start on the infrastructure side, and I also think it's more useful. But it can definitely be done from the dev side, but it depends on where you are and if there are junior dev opportunities for you there. Okay, so there are so many questions in